Hi, it's Tom Bowley here from the Property Centre, and today we're on Wick Road and we're at this beautiful 3-bedroom end of terrace accessible house. It has a beautiful brand new 1-bedroom garage annex conversion in the garden as well. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So now that we're inside the property, I can talk you through a little bit more about the key features that make this an adaptable house. First up, we have the automatic opening door systems that are fitted on every door. Once we come inside here, we have the one-stop hydraulic lift. Some other features, we have the fire alarm system, we have the emergency lighting, we have a video call system, and I'm going to take you outside now and show you the garage. So behind me is this brand new building. It comprises the ground floor, a large double garage. To the first floor, a 1-bedroom self-contained flat that could be used for short or long-term rentals.